Hello, good morning, children. In the chapter Carbon and its Compound, today I will teach you hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, a compound made up of hydrogen and carbon only, is called hydrocarbon. Children, you can see in all these examples methane, ethane, ethene, ethyne. The constituent elements are carbon and hydrogen only. Methane CH4, ethane C2H6, ethene C2H4, ethyne C2H2. And hence all these compounds are known as hydrocarbons. Children, the most important natural source of hydrocarbons is petroleum, which is obtained from underground oil deposits by drilling oil wells. Now, classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons can be classified as saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkane, whose molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are again alkene and alkyne. Alkene, general molecular formula CnH2n, alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. Now, let us discuss about the alkane, alkanes and alkynes. Alkanes. Children, the hydrocarbons in which all carbon atoms are bonded by carbon-carbon single covalent bonds are called alkanes. Whether the hydrocarbons are straight chain hydrocarbon, branched hydrocarbon or cyclic hydrocarbons. If all the carbon atoms are bonded by carbon-carbon single covalent bond, then we call that as a alkanes. Okay. Now alkenes, the hydrocarbons which contain at least one double covalent bond between any two adjacent carbon atoms in the molecule, then the hydrocarbons are called alkenes. That means if it is a straight chain carbon compound, cyclic carbon compound or branch carbon compound, hydrocarbons. If there is at least one double bond, we call that hydrocarbon as alkenes. Alkynes, the hydrocarbons which contain at least one triple covalent bonds between any two adjacent carbon atoms in the molecule are called alkynes. That means for the alkynes hydrocarbon, which is an unsaturated hydrocarbon, there must be at least one triple bond between any two carbon atoms in the molecule, whether it is a straight chain, branched or cyclic hydrocarbon. Prefix used for naming the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Children, for writing the common name, we have to use some prefix depending upon the number of carbon atoms in the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. When the number of carbon atom is 1, the prefix given is meth, M-E-T-H. Likewise, when the carbon atom is 2, it with 3 carbon atoms prop, carbon atom 4, we use the prefix but, with carbon atom 5, pent, 6, hex, 7, hept, 8, oct, 9, non, and with 10 carbon atoms, the prefix given is dec. Dear children, you have to learn at least for this 10 prefix with carbon atom 1 to 10. Now children, I will explain how to write the molecular formula, structural formula and name of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let me start with the saturated hydrocarbon, which is known as alkanes. The general formula for alkane CnH2n plus 2. When the where n stands for any integer number 1, 2, 3 and so on. When the number of carbon atom is 1, hydrogen atom, automatically it will be 4. 2 into 1 plus 2, 4. And hence we can write this one as a CH4. When it is CH4, the structure formula you can represent by writing with carbon, hydrogen single bond. And condensed form or short form, we can write carbon hydrogen together as a CH4. Writing the name for this compound or hydrocarbon, alkane. Children, for alkane, we use the prefix according to the number of carbon atoms. When the number of carbon atom is 1, the prefix is meth. Okay? Then with this meth, you add the suffix ane, and hence the name of the hydrocarbon is methane. When the carbon atom is 2, the number of hydrogen atoms will be 6 because 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. For writing the structural formula for this, keep 2 carbon atoms side by side, giving a carbon-carbon single bond. Now, for first carbon atom, name as a 1 and second one as a 2. First carbon atom, as 1 electron is bonded with second carbon atoms, 3 electrons are left over. So with this 3, you give 3 carbon hydrogen single bonds. Likewise, with second carbon atoms, add 3 hydrogen atoms by carbon hydrogen single bond. So the condensed formula for this, you can say CH3 single bond CH3. The common name for this, as with the 2 carbon atoms, the prefix is eth, and with this eth, you add the suffix a and e, and hence the name of the hydrocarbon is ethane. Okay, when the number of carbon atom is 3, then hydrogen atom 3 2 just 6 plus 2 8 C3H8. For again writing the structure formula for this, 3 carbon atoms bond with each other with carbon-carbon single bond. With first carbon atom, how many electrons are unbonded? 1 is already bonded here. So number of electrons unbonded are 3. So 1, 2, 3. Add 3 hydrogen atoms with carbon-hydrogen single bond. In the middle carbon atoms, you can see 1, 2. 2 electrons are already bonded. Left over are 2. So write 2 hydrogen atoms with the middle carbon atom. Now with the third carbon atom, 1, 2, 3 hydrogen atoms. And the condensed formula for this is CH3 single bond CH 1 2 hydrogen CH2 single bond CH3. Now what common name will you write for this? As with the 3 carbon atoms, the prefix will be prop. So with prop, you add the suffix ane, and hence the name of this hydrocarbon is propane. Now let us discuss examples of unsaturated hydrocarbon alkene with molecular formula, structural formula and name. For alkene, children, alkene, the general molecular formula is CnH2n. When the number of carbon atom is 1, hydrogen atoms becomes 2. And what we have learned for the unsaturated hydrocarbons, whether it is alkene or alkyne, the minimum number of carbon atom must be 2, because with 1 carbon atom, we never cannot be able to give the double bond, and hence the with first carbon atom, unsaturated hydrocarbon alkene and alkyne cannot be formed. So when the number of carbon atom is 2, unsaturated hydrocarbon alkene formula will be C2H4, as here 2 and 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Now, for writing the structure formula for this, as it is alkene, the 2 carbon atom, first you bond with the carbon-carbon single bond. But as it is alkene, there must be a double bond between carbon-carbon. There are 4 hydrogen atoms. First carbon atom Out of 4 valence electron, 2 is bonded with the second carbon atoms, left over 2. So you can add 2 hydrogen atoms, or we can say 2 hydrogen atoms are bonded with first carbon atoms. Now, with second carbon atom, again out of 4, 2 electrons are bonded with first carbon atoms, 2 electrons left. So you can add 2 hydrogen. And the condensed formula for this is CH2 double bond CH2. And name of this compound, as here with 2 carbon atoms, prefix is eth. Okay, so with eth, you add the suffix ene for alkene. Always we use the term alkene as a suffix. So eth plus ene known as ethene. When the carbon atom is 3, hydrogen atoms becomes 3 to 6. Now, the 3 carbon atoms, again here you add first in the carbon-carbon single bond. Then between any 2 carbon atoms, either between first and second or second and third, you give a double bond. But whenever you give the double bond, that carbon atom must be get the lowest position. To these carbon atoms, out of 4, 1, 2 valence electrons are bonded with second carbon atoms, left over 2. So here you write down 2 hydrogen. In the second carbon atom, children, you can see 1, 2, 3. That means out of 4, 3 valence electrons are bonded. Only 1 is left over. So write down 1 hydrogen here. Whereas in third carbon atom, 1, 2, 3 hydrogens. Now you can count the total number of hydrogen in this compound. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogen atoms as per the molecular formula. Now the condensed formula, we can see CH, 1, 2 hydrogen with first carbon atom. So write down CH2. Then there is a carbon-carbon double bond. So show here double bond. With the second carbon atom, how many hydrogen atoms? Only 1. So write down CH. Then carbon-carbon single bond. Write down here single bond. With the third carbon atom, the number of hydrogen atoms are 1, 2, 3. So write down CH3. So this is the condensed formula, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH3. Now what name can you give for this? As you know, with 3 carbon atoms, the prefix will be prop, P-R-O-P, prop, and hence the name of this compound is, or hydrocarbon is, prop with E-N-E, add suffix E-N-E. So name of the hydrocarbon is propene. Now, the molecular formula, structural formula and common name of alkyne. When the carbon atom is 2, as per the general formula of alkyne, CnH2n 2, with 2 carbon atoms, the number of hydrogen atoms are also 2, because 2 2s are 4, minus 2, 2. And for writing this structure formula, as there will be first write down carbon-carbon single bond, but for alkyne, there will be a carbon-carbon always triple bond. So write down triple bond between these 2 carbon atoms. So in carbon atom 1, out of 4 valence electron, 3 valence electron are bonded with carbon atom second. 1 electron left over, with that you write down hydrogen. With the second carbon atoms as well, you write down second hydrogen. So the condensed formula CH triple bond CH. Now for writing the common name with 2 carbon atoms, as already you have learned, the prefix will be eth and suffix you write down YNE. So the name of the compound will be, or hydrocarbon will be ethyne. 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 When the number of carbon atom is 3, the number of hydrogen atom becomes 3 2 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, C3H4. Again you have 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. First you write down bonded with the carbon-carbon, single bond. Then between any 2 carbon atoms, write down triple bond. With first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom. You can see in the first carbon atoms, 3 electrons are bonded. 1 electron is left over. So write down hydrogen. In the middle carbon atom, that is carbon atom 2, out of 4, 1, 2, 3, it is bonding with the first carbon atom. Left over 1 is bonded with the third carbon atoms. That means for the second carbon atoms, no electron remain free. So now in third carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. So 1 it is bonding with the second carbon, 3 with 3 hydrogen atoms. Okay, for writing the condensed formula, CH, write on these two together, then carbon-carbon, triple bond, then between this carbon and third carbon atom, 1 single bond, and with this third carbon atom, there are 3 hydrogens, write on CH3. So the condensed formula CH, triple bond C, single bond CH3. And name of this hydrocarbon with 3 carbon atoms, the prefix will be prop and suffix YNE. So name of the hydrocarbon is propyne.